Hello everyone, I am Amalam Kushwagmode. Uh, Today date is 9 February 2022. This is the original video. So we will discuss topic of access modifiers in Java. So there are mainly two types of modifiers. That is first one access modifiers and second one access modifier. The access modifier in Java specify accessibility or scope of a field, method constructor, or a class. We can change the access level of fields, constructor, method, and class of applying the access modifier on it. There are four types of access modifiers. That is first one private, public, protected, default. So first one private is a user to access only within a class. Then second default, the access level of default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be default. And then third, protected. The access level of protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. Then public, the access level of public modifier is everywhere. It can access from within the class, outside the class, within the package, and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient, and we are going learn the access modifiers only. And first one is a private. The private access modifier is access so only within a class. Simple example of private access modifier. In this example, we have created a classes A and simple. A class contains private data members and private method. We are accessing this private member from outside the class, so there is a compile time error. Role of private constructor, then if you make any class constructor as a private, you cannot create the instance of the class from outside the class. And then second one is default. If you don't any modifier is treated as a default. By default, the default modifier is accessible only within the package. It can be accessed from outside the package. It provides more accessibility than private, but it is more restrictive than protected and public. Then discuss about protected. The protected access modifier is accessible, uh, accessible within package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. The protected access modifiers can be applied on the data member, method, constructor. It cannot applied on the class. It provides more accessibility than the default modifiers. Example of protected access modifier. In this example, we have created two packages, pack and my pack. The A class of package is public, so can access it from outside the package. But message method of this package is declared as a protected, so it cannot access it from outside the class, only through inheritance. Then port number is public. The public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has a widest scope among all other modifiers. Then Java access modifier with method overriding. If you are overriding any method, override method that is declared in subclass must not more more restrictive. The default modifier more restrictive than protected. That is why there is a compile time error. uh, Protected is a uh, public access modifier is on access in anywhere that is outside the program, outside the class, outside the packages. And then protected is only accessible for outside the package, outside the class, and within a methods. So that's all about today's topic. Thank you.